Got some light here, perfect for this industrial area here. You guys can see that it is bright, and now we're probably one of the few warehouses here that have lights as powerful as that at night. So all right, today we're in the industrial area. We're gonna set up a light out here. This place gets really dark at night, and it looks, the only light we do have one here right now. We're gonna set up another one in this facility here. So you guys can see it's completely dark. None of them have lights. We will now. And this light is very strong to set up there, so it's gonna last you weather, rain, shine, or snow. As long as you have good area for the sun to reflect on the actual solar panels, it should be very well. Now, prior to using them, if you guys can see how bright it is, make sure you remove all the plastics, all right? You don't want them to melt in there. Make sure, because sometimes you can't see them. This is really bright, very powerful light. It's gonna last you about 12 to 18 hours, depending on the sun that you get during the day, all right? So we're gonna set it up in an industrial area. Make sure it brights up this whole area. Now, when you're setting it up, make sure that this part is facing down and putting your nut. Now, another great thing is that you can use the back end as a template. Now, on the remote, it's one of the best easy things to use, off and on. And then you got 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, and then day to night mode, and then sensor, because it has a motion sensor. You could set up for a couple hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, and then you could leave it on. Auto, it will automatically turn on from day to night automatically. It dims down, and then it lights up as soon as somebody walks in there. So today we're gonna set it up out here, and let's take a look at it and see how well it looks at night. Okay. The other way. Turn, spin it, spin it. Yeah, but spin it. Okay. And then try to see the hole. Push it in.
Like you're sewing.
You sure it was to the top?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
Because
No tener nada?
it's fully charged.
Yeah. That's even better. Look at it off. Let's turn it off. Look at that. Before.
Leave it on.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm gonna record myself in here. Hey, vas a tener otro para mí, para el lamp?
Two more. I got two. Like that. Simple. You turn it off with the remote. You gotta make sure you click on it. You gotta turn it on. Alright, we're in the industrial area here, if you guys can see. Now, when we have our lights, look at that. Probably the only place that lights up at night is this place. Right now I'm driving, it's dark, but the actual light on the lens, it reflects. But now we have plenty of light here. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.